Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to review Camlin Colorful Brush Set. It is a set of 12 brush and its price is only 170 rupees. Let's open them and try all of this. The packing is really good. They set every brush very properly with a protecting cover on their bristle. First I am going to use brush number 0. You can use this brush for very fine detailing. Now it times for brush number 2. Let's try brush number 4. Brush number 6. Brush number 8. Now the most important brush number 10. Now brush number 12. Hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.